Um, this is a review for Hogue Handall Beavertail grip sleeve, rubber grip sleeve. And everybody on the YouTube say don't use the rubber sleeve for Glocks, but this one has a Beavertail. So, and this one is for model 42 and 43, but I don't have Glock 42, 43. I put it on Glock 26. If you look at the model to fit, it says it might, or it will fit, but it'll be really hard to put it in. So, hard to put it in? Yes, super hard to put it in. Took me half an hour to stretch halfway in. I had to rest half an hour, and then I had to put the rubber, the leather glove, and then the rest of them pull it in. You'll see the stretch mark here. But once in, it doesn't move. And then tecton pin is, you can access tecton pin by pulling Beavertail section, and then you can disassemble, take this pin out and put it back in. And then the best grip for Glock is, of course, Talon grip. It's a skateboard tape grip. It sands, and once grip doesn't stick to your hand, and then I can shoot really accurately with this one and the Glock 26 too. But the reason I got this one is the tape after 2 range session, because Glock 26 is smaller, and then a recoil is snappier because it's a lighter gun. So I have to grip the gun super hard. And then after 2 range session, it slides, the tape was sliding off. So I take it out and put a new one back in. And then after 2 range session again, come back out again. So it's after 3 grip tapes, I'm not gonna put it back in on the grip tape. So I was looking for something else, and then everybody said don't get the one with the sleeve, and then I saw this one with the Beavertail. The one with the sleeve, it could bunch it up, and then it blocked the mag release, and then you cannot take the gun out. So it's a bad design. But with the Beavertail, it stops the rubber to going up. It will push, if you push really hard, it will go up a little bit, but it's not going to go up all the way to block the mag release. And then it helped grip your gun for sure. But one thing is, because there's a little bit of material at the back, you grip, since I have a really small hand, and the trigger reach, it's moved up. So I have to, instead of shooting this, I have to shoot more this way. So there's a knuckle, and then police stone knuckle, Glock knuckle here. And then actually this is from my 1911 shooting, then Glock 26, but it's the same thing. It touches at the end, my knuckle here, and then my knuckle here touches at the bottom. And then this is how I shoot. And after put this on, I can shoot accurately, almost same as putting Talon grip on. And then I'm gonna put a fridge after this one, how I shot. And I think this is excellent choice, that if you don't want to keep changing a grip tape, and you can just put this on and you can just forget about it. Thank you.